Hello, my name's Arush, and I'm gonna tell you guys about the drone robot I made to help scientists about radiation in the ozone layer. This is the drone I created over here, and this is the propellers to make it like go up, and the sensors to detect radiation, and the cameras to communicate, like see more about like radiation. And this is the solar power panels. Like I don't want it to be harming the environment, so this is going to be useful, like so it doesn't have to change its battery now and then. So this is going to be useful, and more propellers. And this this is going to be the helium balloons, because when it gets very high, there will be less oxygen, so propellers don't work that much. So this will deploy and work to reach it up. So, and basically that's uh, like almost what my robot does, and like extra propellers just in case some fail. And thank you for listening to my presentation.